Hello students, welcome back to class of science. Students, in the previous lecture we were discussing the chapter number 14 of class 10th, sources of energy. In that lecture we discussed about the conventional sources of energy. What are conventional sources of energy? That we are using for a very long time. We discussed about the wood, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. So today students we are going to discuss another topic, that is thermal power plant. It is also related to the fossil fuels. What is meant by thermal power plant? Now as the name suggests students, thermal means heat. What does the thermal means? It means heat, and power means we need electricity. Power is electricity, and plant where the electricity is produced. So what is thermal power plant? Where the electric power is generated from heat energy. So how, when the heat energy is produced, we say for producing electricity, how this is connected to the fossil fuels? Because it is connected to the fossil fuel because this heat energy will be produced by fossil fuels, by burning fossil fuels. So we called it as the production of the electricity by the burning of fossil fuels, because in thermal power plant heat energy is used to produce electricity. Now in these thermal power plant we use coal as the fuel. We produce electricity with the usage of the coal. Coal is, students, the coal is burnt. First of all it is crushed, then it is burned, then lot of heat is produced which will rise the temperature of the water, which will produce steam, and this steam will rotate the turbines to produce electricity. I repeat, first of all we will take coal in large boilers where they are crushed and they are burned by the supply of the heat. We heat them and burn them. They will rise the temperature of the water which is there, and it will produce steam, and steam will rotate these turbines, then it will produce electricity. A simple activity or simple example is also shown in your book, in which we have taken a pressure cooker. Right students, we will put water in the pressure cooker, and when we will heat this pressure cooker, we always see in our home, lot of, here there is a whistle, lot of steam is produced. This steam, why steam will produce? When the temperature of the water will rise, it will produce steam or vapors. So this steam will rotate the blades of this metal sheet. Here there is a tennis ball and these blades are of metal sheet. It will rotate this metal sheet, the steam will rotate this metal sheet blades, which will go to the dynamo or the generator, which will produce electricity, and here we have bulb which will be lighted, which will be light on. Right students? So in the thermal power plant, the heat is used as a source of energy to produce electricity, and heat we get from the coal. Students, here I would like to tell you that 59% of the electricity, 59% of the electricity is produced by burning coal. Rest 9 to 10% is produced by the other fossil sources. In total 69% of the electricity is produced from the fossil fuels. So large amount of fossil fuels are diminishing, we are using them, they will disappear one day, but the amount produced from these is amount of electricity produces more than the other sources. When we burn this coal, there is one disadvantage. First is lot of fossil fuels are consumed, they will disappear one day, and second, when we burn coal, as you know, lot of air pollution is caused. But We have no other substitute at this time. We are continuously using these fossil fuels. We have another alternative sources of energy, but coal is more efficient to produce electricity. The transmission of electricity is easy than the transportation of coal. So, the factories are set up and the thermal power plants are set up near the coal or petroleum fields, coal or oil fields, where they are found. So, this was all about the thermal power plant, where the electricity is generated from the heat energy. Because students, when we burn coal, it produces heat energy and light energy, right students? That heat energy is used to produce electricity. This is known as the thermal power plant. It is also the conventional source of energy, and the disadvantage of this thermal power plant is that lot of fossil fuels are being used, and second, lot of air pollution is caused due to these thermal power plants. So students, that was all about the thermal power plant in which heat energy is used to produce electricity, and that heat energy is produced from the fossil fuel like coal. So that is all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the hydroelectric power plant. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.